Today's video is about the circles. Equation of circle. Equation of circle, which is in this form: x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equals to r square. The three squares, 1 square, 2 square and 3 square. If the equation of circle is given in this form, then A and B, opposite signs, A and B, center of the circle, center of the circle, center of the circle equals to AB, and radius of the circle, radius of circle is R. If it is x plus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square and 5, then minus 2 comma 3 is the center, and radius equals to under root 5, radius of the circle. If the equation of circle is given in this form, x square, coefficient of x square is 1 and positive, coefficient of y square is again 1 and it is positive, plus ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So then center of the circle, center of the circle is equals to minus a over 2 and minus b over 2. The negative signs, if it is change of sign, if it is positive, then it will be negative, positive, negative. If these two signs are negative, then positive. You have to take positive. Opposite signs, center of the circle, coefficient of x and coefficient of y, half of coefficient of x. If it is a, then minus a. Change of sign, b minus b over 2. And the radius, again opposite signs, minus a over 2 square plus minus b over 2 square. If it is positive, change of sign, minus plus minus. If it is minus, then it will be positive. Plus c, then minus c without square, under root. It is the formula for the radius. Now, first question. For example, x square plus y square minus 10x minus 12y plus 45 equals to 0. Let's find the center and radius of this circle. Now what is the center? Center of the circle is, change the sign, 10 upon 2, change the sign, coefficient of y is 12, change the sign, over 2 equals to 5, 6. 5 comma 6 is the center of the circle. These are the coordinates of center of the circle. Now radius equals to minus 10 upon 2 square plus minus 12. If it is negative, then positive. If it is negative, then positive, upon 2 whole square. If it is positive, then negative. Change the sign of A, B and C. A over 2 whole square b over 2 whole square, and c without square. Change the sign of coefficient of x, coefficient of y, and c. All the signs are changed? Yes. Now simplify. 5 square plus 6 square minus 45 under root. You will get 25 plus 36 minus 45. It is 16 under root 16. So radius of this circle, radius equals to under root 16, which is equals to 4. So center of the circle, coordinates of the center of the circle is 5, 6 with radius r equals to 4. So equation of circle will be given in this form or in this form. These are the two forms. With the help of, if the equation of circle is given in this form, then center of the circle is A, change of sign, A, change of sign, B, and radius is R. Keeping in mind the three squares should be present there. In this case, the three squares are not. 2 are there, x plus 2 whole square, y minus 3 whole square, and it is 5. So 5 can be written in this form. 5 under root square. It remains 5. So radius is under root 5. Center of the circle is, change the sign, minus 2 and 3. If the equation of circle is given in this form, x square plus y square plus ax plus by plus c, it is the general form. All the signs are positive. Take all the negative signs over here. For the center, minus a over 2 minus b over 2. And for the radius, again, minus a over 2 whole square minus b over 2 whole square minus c. All the signs are changed. In this case, example given to you, x square plus y square minus 10x minus 12y plus 45 equals to 0. So center will be change of sign over 2, 5, 6 is the center of the circle. Then the squares, change of sign, minus 10 plus 10 over 2 whole square, minus 12 plus 12 over 2 whole square, positive 45, negative 45. Simplify this. अब करते हैं shortest distance of a point from circle, not from center, from circle. The basic idea is this: if a point is given to you and the equation of the circle, so first of all, center of the circle, measure the distance from center of the circle to the given point with the help of distance formula. Then subtract this radius. You will get the shortest distance of the point from the circle. So we will use this idea in this question. Equation of circle is given x square plus y square minus 10x minus 12y plus 45 equals to 0. And the point is given to you 1, 3. So he said calculate the shortest distance of this point P from circle. Now first of all, find the center of the circle, which is center. Center of the circle, change the sign, divide by 2, 5, change the sign, divided by 2, 6. And we need the radius also. because we have to subtract the radius from the total distance. So radius of the circle is minus 10 upon 2 whole square plus minus 12 upon 2 whole square minus 45 without square c under root equals to 5 square 25 plus 36 minus 45 equals to 16 under root. Now 4 is the radius of the circle. Radius of the circle is 4. Now calculate the distance. 5, 6. Center of the circle is 5, 6. Center of the circle is 5, 6. 5, 6. And the point is 1, 3. Use the distance formula. 5 minus 1 whole square plus 6 minus 3 whole square under root. With the help of distance formula, it is OP distance. 5 minus 1 4 square plus 6 minus 3 3 square. 16 plus 9 25 equals to 5. So OP distance of P from center equals to 5 unit, and the shortest distance will be equals to 5 minus 4 equals to 1 unit. If it is given in centimeters, then it is 1 centimeter. It is the shortest distance of a point from a circle. Now use the idea. First of all, find the center of the circle and the radius of the circle. After finding this, use this idea that the center of the circle is with you and the point given. Find the distance with the help of distance formula. Then subtract the radius from this distance. You will get the shortest distance of a point from circle. Yes. पॉज करके अरेंज कर दें. नहीं, अब रह गई. Last one is equation of tangent to the circle. Tangent to the circle. Equation of tangent to the circle. Center. A point will be given to you, and he said, find the equation of tangent. Now, a point given. Find the coordinates of the center. Use the idea of coordinate geometry. Find the gradient of the center of the circle and this point P. And then use M1, M2 equals to minus 1, the perpendicular gradient. So you can find the gradient of this tangent with the help of M1, M2. First of all, find the gradient of OP. Now, equation of circle example is, equation of circle given to you is x square plus y square minus 12x plus 26 equals to 0. Said find the equation of tangent to the circle at the point 31. Yes. Now solution is, first of all, find the center. Center is change the sign, divided by 2. 6 comma, there is no y, so 6 comma 0 is the center of the circle. Now what is the radius? Center of the circle. Is there any need of radius? No. We need the coordinates of this point. Now the coordinates of the center is 6, 0, and the coordinates of P is given to you, 3, 1. Now what is the gradient of OP? It is O. Gradient, find the gradient of OP line, equals to y2 minus y1, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, which is equals to 1 over 3 minus sign minus. Now use the property of finding the perpendicular gradient, m1 m2 equals to minus 1. So minus 1 upon 3 m2 equals to minus 1. So gradient equals to 3. It is the gradient of tangent. Gradient of tangent. So for equation of tangent, you need the point and the line. The point and the gradient. Y minus y1 equals to gradient x minus x1. Required equation of tangent. Required equation of tangent. Put the point y minus y1 at this point 3, 1. 3, 1 is the point. Y minus 1 equals to gradient is 3 x minus 3. So y minus 1 equals to 3x minus 9. So y equals to 3x minus 8 is the equation of tangent. Tangent is a line. Yes, tangent is a line touching the circle at one point. This point is given in the question 3, 1. 3, 1. Center, with the help of this equation of circle given to you, center is, the coordinates of center are 6, 0 are the coordinates. With the help of these 2 points, find the gradient. Find the gradient of this line OP line. Gradient of this line OP, and use this m1 m2 equals to minus 1 to find the gradient of this tangent. Gradient equals to 3. So with the help of the point 3, 1 and the gradient 3, you can find the equation of tangent. That is the method to find the gradient of tangent. Thank you very much.